Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I got some friends and mentioning, Haiying, you should do a loser unboxing. Oh, this is my origami, small origami. Okay, you should do a loser unboxing, or the unboxing didn't say loser or winner. And just at this time, I got winner chicken dinner, TS, Psy Society. This is something a little bit yellow. Ta-da! Okay, so what I am getting this one is that summer is coming and I want to wear some skirts. I do not wear short skirts, but still, even medium skirts. I like it with an undergarment. Oh, this bag is wonderful. Oh my goodness. This bag by itself is so good and so strong and matte plastic. So here it is. It's kind of a bike shorts. And there are different kinds of it. I want to buy the thinnest, the very silky one. And they have the kind that a little bit more dense. This one is almost transparent, but this one is you have a skirt on top of it, so you just need to have the leg color. And I'm thinking, should I use a skin color or this dark color? If you use skin color as if you are not wearing anything, but if you wear okay, but if you wear something like it, like this, but if you wear something like this, it's more like covering up a little bit and still, oh, this is so soft, good for summertime, right? Use as a bike shorts, but you wear inside with a skirt, short skirt, and things like that. Oh, I love it. So smooth and so silky. So tomorrow I am going to try it. I think I put the video, put the link under the description of the video. I will try it tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow or maybe after tomorrow. It's raining these couple of days. Oh, so light, so comfortable. Yeah, it's a very good. In China, we call it 保险裤 or something. Safety. You just cover up a little bit and very discreet. I love it. And they have something shorter. I think I took the longest one. Yeah, I want it to be a little bit longer and shows almost to the knee. This is not to the knee, to the on top of the knee, but that is it. Actually, I just tried it on, and oh my goodness, it's so very comfortable, so very comfortable. It's a very cool feeling, and it's not. This is not a shape wear. Does not have the strength of shaping your body, but oh, it's so comfortable, so comfortable, so very